I am Joan Montague. I'm a teacher at the Lower River Primary and Infant School. I'm an entrepreneur and I'm also a farmer. This is my dwelling. I was here on the Tuesday morning prior to the hurricane coming. I was on the second floor and I looked through the window and I realized that the sewage pipes were cracking from behind. I went to the other side of the building. There's a veranda and I looked at the step going up to the road when I realized that the steps were cracking from the top coming down. I grabbed the bag I had packed with some documents and I headed up the road. On reaching the top of the step, I realized that there was already a ditch separating the road from the structure. The pavement on top of the plaza was bursting up and all I could do was jump over the ditch and I ran to my neighbor's house. I live here alone.
And you operate?
I operate business on the up to the road level. My goods perish inside, they looted. I was just able to go in and salvage what was left. I'm still not able to access the second floor. But all my furniture, everything, my clothes, everything is still there. Right now I live nowhere. I'm just catching with my neighbor.